The guys at Poor Giant sent me this solid state flash drive. Very small, very compact. And you're gonna see it's beautiful. Solid state drives are very, very durable, and they're super convenient because they're small, durable, and they don't have a lot of moving parts. And not having the moving parts is what sets it apart from regular drives. Why? Because if it doesn't have moving parts inside, it's not going to break. So the name says it, it's solid. And the truth is that they're solid. But look at this one. This thing is beautiful. You see? Beautifully made. And I wish you could feel this, because this thing is made out of metal. Amazing. Okay, so you do like this, or any of the other sides that you decide, right? Because I wanted to show you the whole outside is made out of metal. And what's cool about it is that it doesn't matter. You don't have to worry about the connection, because it has one side USB-A and the other side USB-C. Check that out, how well made this metal drive is. So if you want to keep your files safe, right? Not just because it's made out of metal, right? It's because it's solid state. In solid state, it's faster, it's superior, it's colder, and I super recommend it. All my drives are solid state. I have bigger drives here, but if you're a DJ like I am, this is where you want to have your emergency music. So you can use other drives, but the truth is, you put this in here and you don't have to worry about it, because it's metal. It's not gonna break, right? What else comes in the box? Let's see. Oh, I love this. This is amazing. It comes with a pouch, a leather pouch for it. Let's open it. Oh, I love it, man. So, that's it. Check this out. It comes with this nice leather pouch, right? Really nice. So, you open it up. You have your files in there. And you take your drive, you put it in there, real nice. That's it. Put it in there, real nice. It fits really nice and snug. There you go. So now you have a solid state drive that in itself, solid state drives, because they don't have moving parts, are more stable, faster, and more reliable. And in this case, right, this other drive is not like this. The outer casing of this solid state drive is made out of metal, steel, aluminum, I don't know. It's a really hard material. Super recommended. And thank you guys for sending this to me. I am going to be using it a lot.